Differentiating regular kicks from gender kicks.
Hello viewers. Today, we're going to address a commonly asked question. How can I differentiate between regular kicks and gender kicks? If you've ever been curious or heard about this topic, stay tuned as we break it down for you.
What are regular kicks?
Regular kicks, often referred to as fetal movements or baby kicks, are the movements made by the baby inside the womb. Starting around 18 to 25 weeks into pregnancy, expectant mothers begin to feel their baby's movements, which can be described as fluttering sensations initially, becoming more pronounced as the pregnancy progresses. Fluttering stage. Early on, the sensation is subtle and can feel like butterflies or gas bubbles. Rolling or twisting stage. As the baby grows, the movements might feel like a rolling or twisting motion. Distinct kicks. Towards the end of the second trimester, the kicks become stronger and more defined.
What are gender kicks?
Gender kicks is a term stemming from several myths and old wives' tales suggesting that the strength, frequency, or pattern of fetal kicks can indicate the baby's gender. For instance, boys are stronger. Some believe that stronger kicks mean a boy is on the way. Girls are more active. Others think that more frequent but gentle kicks suggest a girl. However, it's essential to know that there's no scientific evidence supporting the idea that fetal movements can predict gender. Factors influencing the strength and frequency of kicks include the baby's position, time of day, and the mother's activity level.
How to truly differentiate?
If you want to know your baby's gender, relying on kick patterns is not the way to go. Instead, ultrasound scans. Between 18 and 21 weeks, an anatomy scan or ultrasound can typically identify the baby's gender with high accuracy. Genetic testing. Certain genetic tests, such as amniocentesis or chorionic villus sampling, CVS, can determine the baby's gender but are usually done for medical reasons. Non-invasive prenatal testing, NIPT. This blood test examines fetal DNA in the mother's bloodstream and can predict the baby's gender with high accuracy after 9 weeks. Remember, while these tests offer more certainty, they can sometimes be wrong. The only 100% accurate method is birth. Thanks for tuning in. In summary, while it's fun to guess a baby's gender based on kicks, it's just that, a guess. If you're keen to know, trust medical methods over myths. We hope this video has been insightful. Until next time.